It's time, Liza. Do it now.
We're here to save you.
It's too late for me, sweetie. This is your time now. We can save you from this life.
No, you have no right to take my power from me.